Sharpen lots of different cutting edges, lots of unique cutting edges. Because of the unique flex, I can pick up on any edge. Today I'm going to show you that it does work. I found an old Henkel knife that's all rusted out. I'm going to bring an edge up on it, slice the paper. Let me show you, it does work. Block sharpeners are made by me, Paul Block. American made, lifetime guaranteed. Easy. Quite dull. Put them on the edge of a counter first. I'm going to use a little oil, WD-40, peanut oil, whatever you got. A little drop, it keeps anything dirty from sticking on the pins. Lay them on the edge of the counter, draw through. You can bolt them down just like my yellow one is. That's great for doing swords, katanas that way, or bigger cutting edges, or even for production line sharpening. Pins adjust to any edge you got, any angle. Picking up on the original bevels. Look real close, you can see that fresh shine right on the edge of that blade. Let's see how sharp it got. It's getting there, see that?
Yep, she's cutting now.
A little bit more. Let's see how we do this way. I hit her up a few more times.
And that was the first time.
Yeah, let's hit her up a little bit more, see what we can get out of it. German Henkels is one of the harder steels to sharpen. A lot of sharpeners can't do it. Block sharpener can do stainless steel, we do Damascus, we can even do military. These rods rock well over 69. Makes my sharpener nearly impossible to wear out. And I'll get the hardest steels you got good and sharp. When you get done, use a piece of leather or cardboard. That'll hone that edge up a little more, polishes it. Almost in the shaving sharp. There it is.
Cutting it. Look at that. Oh yeah.
Old rusty knife.
That was an old rusty knife.
Henkel. Block sharpener, 100% American made. We will sharpen any blade. A lot of little nicks and chips in the blade. Hold that where you need to hold it. And watch, I'm going to take most of them out. I can't fill the hollow spots, but I can get them flattened back in, watch.
That'd be wonderful.
You squeeze these in here tight, draw it through. I'll do a figure X on this one. See, my sharpeners don't just tear metal off the blade. They ride the edges, they squeeze them back together. You hear it getting smoother?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh, I can see it too.
There she goes. Here, just
getting real smooth, isn't it?
I can feel it getting better. Yep.
Yep, getting smoother.
You can hear it. You see how it's smoothing them up?
Oh yeah. Yeah, very nice.
I'm gonna see what we're getting here. I'm gonna pour some more. I can knock them down more yet. See that?
That is sweet. That is very nice.
I'll run this some more on there. And like I said, as long as the blade ain't severely damaged, I can get them very sharp.
Oh yeah. What I'm going to use it for is to do just fine.
Oh shoot. Wait till you feel this. Here. You didn't think it'd ever do that again, huh?
No.
Yeah. Feel that. What do you think, buddy?
Yeah, that's very nice. That's very nice.
Block sharpener, we will sharpen any blade. I'm doing these today, 20 bucks each, 2 for 30. Made in America, not ding-donga. All right.
You got a sale.
Benchmade knife, you can see it's quite wore out. Been around for quite a few years. I'm going to show you how I do the serrate. You can do any serrated knife, it will not kill them. Vibrates and shatters through the teeth, top to bottom. I'm the only sharpener that really works on a serrate. You can take them brand new out of the box, sharper than new.
Don't eat your chicken wings.
Well, that's nice. Might as well. I ain't.
He's checking it out.
Let you know.
See that? All right, feel the teeth. Did that work? Okay, now on the smooth edge, squeeze it tight, draw through. If they're real dull, you do a figure X. Go from one rod to the other, then bring it back down the middle. That'll speed it up. What these do is these pins adjust so they grab the original edge. Quicker than fooling with stones, much better for your knife. Block sharpener, we will sharpen any blade. I'm going to get this thing much sharper. Watch this. This is that damaged blade, been damaged on a belt. I'm going to put it on the edge up tester. Clear it, and let's see how sharp this actually is. $269. You know, that ain't too bad, really. That's just a little bit above utility razor blade. Okay, so let's do this real quick. Just got the signal that everyone's getting bored. Strike that baby through there. Rub it in there sideways a little bit. Remember now, this is a damaged edge, so we really don't know what's going to happen. I prefer factory edges. Okay. Up. Clear. $207. Look at that. We're bringing her back. $207. Right there at the line. Utility razor blade. Block sharpener. We will sharpen your blades. We come in a lot of different colors now. These are some of my new colors. I got the black and blue, the glow in the dark with the red grip, yellow with red grip, green with red grip, and with the rubber grip. They latch to the table good. If you're out in the woods, you can butt them up in your fingers for doing like hunting knives, pocket knives. They're quick and they're simple. Anyone can do it.